You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more confusing biblical names, Hebrew names, make sure to stay tuned. King, Hebrew pronunciation Hadadezer, Hadadezer. In English, it's more generally pronounced as Hadadezer, Hadadezer. Some may say it as Hadadezer. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.